So welcome to another video. So today we have a trigonometric type of an equation where you are required to apply trigonometric identities to show that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Given that the right hand side we have tan alpha plus the cos alpha. Alpha signifies a given angle. Squared is equals to 1 over cos squared alpha plus 1 over sine squared alpha. So on the solution part, I'm going to decide to prove the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, which is at least easier to prove. So the first approach, I'm going to take, because this is squared, I'm going to take this multiplied by this and then try expanding it. Then I'm going to equate the left hand side to the right hand side. So if you're watching us for the first time, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, share, comment with an alternative approach. So straight away, let us dive into the equation. So I've said I'm going to expand this, taking the tan alpha plus the cos alpha over sine alpha. I'm going to take it that multiply by itself since it is squared on the left hand side. So it is tan alpha plus cos alpha over the sine that. Next step, I'm going to expand. I'm going to expand it. If you take tan of this times that, you're going to get tan squared that plus, when you take, I'm going to take the all of this times, if you take tan times the all of it, you're going to get, of course, tan alpha, the cos that over sine that, plus when you take this times this, you're going to get the tan that, cos that over sine that alpha, plus if you take this times this, you're going to get cos squared that over the sine squared alpha. Collecting like terms together, I'm going to get tan squared alpha plus, if you take this and this, you add, you're going to get twice tan that plus the cos squared alpha over sine squared alpha. So I've tried expanding it to get this. So the next step part, recall that wherever you have the tan of alpha can be rewritten as the sine that over the cos of alpha. Then wherever I have tan, I'm going to substitute with this so that I have, if you take this one squared, you're going to get sine squared alpha over cos squared alpha plus 2 in bracket, wherever I have tan, I'm going to place sine that over the cos of alpha multiplied by this one, the cos of alpha over the sine of alpha, of course, plus cos squared alpha over the sine squared alpha. So at that stage, I should be able to cancel this and this, this and this, to remain with sine squared alpha over cos squared alpha plus 2, of course, plus the cos squared alpha over sine squared alpha. But you're going to recall again that I can rewrite 2 as 1 plus 1, so that when I replace this, I'm going to get the sine squared alpha over cos squared alpha plus 1 plus 1 plus cos squared alpha over the sine squared alpha, so that I should be able to group and try to factorize, or by writing each as a single fraction, rewriting that so that this becomes, writing this as a single fraction, I'm gonna get cos squared alpha, of course, plus when you take sine squared alpha plus the cos squared alpha, of course, plus on the other side, writing that as a single fraction, I'm gonna end up with sine squared that over, of course, you're gonna get the cos squared that plus the sine squared that. Let me introduce brackets. At this stage, you're gonna recall from the trigonometric identity that the cos squared alpha, or that, plus the sine squared alpha should be equals to 1. So it is very easy to see that from this other part, sine squared plus cos squared that is equals to 1. Then it means that my equation now gonna change to, this one is 1, so it is 1 over the cos squared alpha plus, on the other side, this is also 1, so that I have 1, of course, over the sine squared alpha. Recall that we were to show that from this part, that on the left hand side, tan alpha plus the cos alpha over sine that squared is equals to my right hand side, which is 1 over cos squared this plus 1 over sine squared this. Coming to this solution that we have gotten, it is indeed true that the left hand side equals to the right hand side, which we have proved from the solution. So guys, thank you for watching. Kindly comment using the different approach, subscribe to this channel, share, turn your notification on, and most importantly, check out, we have a playlist. You can check them out. Leave a thumbnail, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye for now.